how to mute or unmute someone during Zoom call. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you are the Zoom meeting host, then it's really simple to mute and unmute someone during the Zoom meeting. So if someone disturbs you, you can easily mute them. And if you want someone to speak, then you can ask them to unmute. So let's dive right in. Open up the Zoom meeting. And then you can see the participants on the right hand side. So if their mic is turned on and it is causing you disturbance, then you can just tap on the mic option and you'll see the mute option appear. Just tap on mute and that person will be muted. But if you want to unmute them, then you can just ask to unmute, but not directly unmute the person. So just ask to unmute, and that person will accept the invite, and then the person will be unmuted. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.